Welcome guys. Let's do Lena coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and targets. Current rank of Lena is 303 and price of the linear is $0.06. 6 cent is current price and it is Ethereum based token. And it is arted by Certic and Slowmist, and that is why this is a secure token. And circulating supply of Lena is 4 billion and maximum supply of Lena is 10 billion. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of Binance, PMEX and other exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and tradable. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Linear is available on Binance and some other important exchanges, KuCoin and Huobi2. Let's dive into the content. This is linear daily chart and this is linear 4-hourly chart. First of all, we have to consider 4-hour chart, and let me please show you targets. Currently, it is at $0.06 price level, and it is in this ascending triangle here you can see. After creating top at 7 cents and 7.2 cents, it is now at 6 cents price level, 6.1 cents price level. Maybe we may see some that kind of actions. Maybe we can see that kind of actions. And after that it will broke towards upside. According to these technicalities and technical target would be like this. If it broke towards upside, in that case definitely this is a bullish pattern. That is why I think 180 plus chances are that the price can go up and after breaking this upper trend line. And once it broke this, in that case target will be 10 cents. Our first target you can say is 6 cents, after that 7 cents and 7.9 cents, and after that 8.4 cents. If I calculate this from let me please remove this. If I calculate it from bottom to top from this support area, in that case I think the target will be like this. We have to consider this target 8.6 cents area. These are two targets. First major target is at 10 cents and second target is at 8 cents. But for this it have to break this horizontal resistance which is at 6 cents price level, and I think this trend line is very important and it have to respect. If unfortunately in any case it broke this trend line, in that case there is a teeny support is at 5.6 cents price level. This is a teeny support, and after that major support is at 4.5 cents price level. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. Volume is satisfactory. Volume is coming, but we have to wait until it broke this horizontal resistance. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon, and that is very good sign, and this is the sign that price definitely will go up. We have to wait until it broke this horizontal resistance of 6 cents price area. Let me please show you MACD and RSI. RSI is above 50 and it is at 55. This is a good sign, and this is the indication that price is in uptrend. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards upside, and after that here you can see price goes up, and now little towers are changing color. Maybe we may see some price drop according to the MACD. After that we see a big move, but these are the target. Note down these targets. Let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart. Lena is at 6.1 cents right now, and this is the major support area in daily chart is at 5.8 cents price area. This is major trend line of Lena. Here you can see several touches, and after every touch price bounce back towards upside. And after getting top at 8.77 cents price area, Lena is at 6.1 cents price area, and this is very important support at 5.83 cents price area. If it broke this support, if it moved towards upside, In that case, it will break this horizontal resistance, which is at 6.89 cents price area. After that, our target will be like this. This will be the target. 7.95 cents, you can say 8 cents will be the target. 8.1 cents, and after that 8.7 cents will be our second target. These are the target, but for this it have to hold this support area. Here you can see this is a very strong support, very strong support. And if unfortunately it broke this, in that case maybe price can go down to hit this zone, and after that we may see that kind of move, and after that it will hit the targets. But this trend line is very important, and this support zone, which is 5.81 in daily chart, is also very important to hold. And once linear hold this, in that case definitely price will go up. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing in daily chart. We need that kind of strong volume. Unfortunately volume is very low, and we need strong volume confirmation. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are still above from this EMA ribbon, and that is very good sign. This is the indication that price definitely will go up. We have to wait. Let me please show you MACD and RSI, daily MACD RSI. Here you can see RSI is at 53, which is good sign, and it is above 50, which is very good sign. And MACD crossover towards upside is about to happen, and this will be huge. After this crossover, definitely price will go up. We have to wait until price move towards upside and hit these targets. And these are the targets. And let me please show you my favorite indicator. This is CPR main indicator and monthly CPR indicator. These yellow lines are main CPR lines, are at these levels, $0.05. You can say 5.1 cents price level. And here you can see a linear price hit first bullish target. These blue lines are CPR bullish targets. Here you can see linear price hit first bullish target, second bullish target, and third bullish target will be this. This will huge 9.4 cents price area. Linear hit two targets, but unfortunately price drop, and it is again trying to hold this support area. Maybe price can consolidate and price can drop to this area, 5.1 cents price area. But there is a very strong support of this trend line, and main support is this CPR main levels, support levels. And after that price definitely will boom towards the upside. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with crypto community and your friends. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, UB $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These are tradable bonuses, and these are absolutely free bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away, and after that earn profit. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.